Prashant Kishore is also saying that Lalu Prasad Yadav has used the common people of Bihar just for his own will, just for his own power. And Congress is using Lalu Prasad Yadav and the party of Lalu Prasad Yadav to gain power in the center. Because Lalu Prasad Yadav was getting much more member of parliament from the state of Bihar, and Lalu Yadav was a much more powerful politician in the state of Bihar. And in that era, just Congress used Lalu Prasad Yadav for gaining the power at the center. So no one has done something good for Bihar. Not Congress who have ruled Bihar before Lalu Prasad Yadav era, or not even Lalu Prasad Yadav himself, not even Nitish Kumar. Lalu Prasad Yadav don't think about Yadav community, he just think about his sons. He just think about Tejasvi Yadav. He is a good father because he wants that his child, his son Tejasvi should become the chief minister of Bihar. He wants to make his son the king of Bihar, but he don't want a welfare schemes for the common Yadavi people. That what the Prashant Kishore is even targeting Lalu Prasad Yadav also. Lalu Prasad Yadav is in today's era, if we see, he is not that much active in the politics of Bihar, but he is the senior most leader of Bihar. And Prashant Kishore is not hesitating to take on Narendra Modi also. Chini mill, which sugar factory, in Hindi it is called as a chini mill. Narendra Modi had just given the assurance to the people of Bihar that he will start the sugar factory in Bihar, but he was not able to start it. So Prashant Kishore is gaining ground in the state of Bihar, and also the people are political expert especially, are saying that he can contest the election from Raghavpur, where Tejasvi Yadav is the running MLA at the present. And it will be Tejasvi versus Prashant Kishore in Raghavpur Legislative Assembly, which will be the most highlighted contest in the state of Bihar. And it will attract whole Bihari people towards Raghavpur, who is going to win Raghavpur, because Tejasvi Yadav will be the chief minister candidate from India Alliance in Bihar, and Prashant Kishore is the biggest face of Jan Suraj party, which he himself launched a few years ago.